Yo, what is going on YouTube? This quick tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This uses a working Animal Company promo code that you can redeem in-game, and it is going to unlock a secret mod menu. So this is 100% working in 2026 with no PC, and this is still working after the recent patch. So these Animal Company mods are going to allow you to get super speed, you can get long arms, invisibility, unlimited free research points and coins, and many more features, guys. So before I show you how to get mods in Animal Company, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always creating updated videos. So let's get into the tutorial. To get your Animal Company mods, you need to use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is no PC, so you need to get your Animal Company promo code using your mobile device. So just open up the internet browser and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly, guys, spell it like this, and head on over to the site. And this is an awesome page or website. I've used these previously for other things, but yeah, they have some different codes on here. So use a search bar and just type in Animal Company. As you can see, there are 5 different promo codes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just find the mod menu one. So scroll down, and here we go, Animal Company mod menu. This is going to get access to the secret mod menu for free, and this is the fastest and easiest method because it is just a simple promo code, so you can enter it in game. So there's no additional downloads or anything like that. This is literally a promo code that's going to unlock an already built-in mod menu in Animal Company. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your code. These are limited codes, and this basically confirms you as a real person and you're not a robot looking to just basically take all of the codes from Cold Coupons. So to unlock your code, you've got to click on this button, and you're going to see this page here. This basically tells you what you need to do, guys, and it is pretty easy. I did this earlier, and it does take about 5 to 10 minutes, but this is going to get you the Animal Company mods, so it is well worth it. So you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your Animal Company code from Cold Coupons, and you're going to need to make sure you follow the instructions for each. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this page. They are absolutely free. You just need to complete 2 of them, and they're really easy, guys. They're things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games. It's just quite important that you do follow the instructions. So as an example, this one says download then complete level 13 to unlock. So you click on it and it will take you to the App Store, where you basically just download this game and you have to play it until a certain level. So just complete 2 tasks on this page, and if you do that, it will send you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Animal Company promo code will be revealed, and you simply redeem it in game, and that is going to give you the in-game mods. So that is how to get mods in Animal Company, giving you tons of features. You can even troll people as well, which is absolutely awesome. So that is it. Super easy method, guys. Go to Cold Coupons. This is working in 2026. So yeah, just follow all the instructions and get to your mod menu code. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.